Hey folks, Tim Davis coming to you guys with a very quick video, and I mean very quick, just to give you guys a fair warning. Today is March the 8th, 2023. It's now on a Wednesday. Pay close attention to the VIX, folks. Past couple of days, Fed chair has been giving a testimony to the Congress, and Congress has really been drilling him, but he is sticking to his guns. He has no intentions of pulling back from his interest rate hike move. This is a weekly chart of the VIX. Pay close attention to what's happening. VIX has been trying his best to really make a major move. Here's a weekly chart again. This is a weekly chart. I want to point that out, is that every time we've got to this area of support, we're bouncing. And the VIX, if I was to draw this out, you'll see that the VIX is ready for a major move. Again, the VIX is ready for a major move. This is a strong level of support. This is a strong level of support. As you can see, we have been testing this level of support for quite some time now. Since the beginning of this year, we've been testing level of support. The VIX has failed to make a major move back above this 50-day and 200-day moving average on the weekly chart, but it looks like after this strong area of consolidation that it is ready to make this move. It's just been hovering in between this level of support and the 50-day moving average on the weekly, and it looks like that huge move is setting up, and it's about ready to take off. So pay close attention to that. If the VIX does not find a way to break drastically below this level of support, this could be the precursor of what we're about to see in our overall markets. Again, the VIX is right at this level of support, and it's been threatening to break above this 200-day, which is my red line, and this 50-day, which is my blue line. It's been threatening a move back above that in a major way. Bumped his head up against there not too long ago. Also here, the momentum indicators are all showing that the TTM squeeze is definitely looking like the momentum is shifting towards the bulls. And in reference to this VIX, this is a VIX feature, so like we're definitely gearing up. The VIX is definitely hitting around the support level again, and it's refusing to drop below it, with all signs pointing to a major breakout above this level, probably over the coming weeks or within the next month or so. So pay close attention to that, folks. If we get a strong break above this level of resistance on the VIX on a weekly chart, we're probably going to start to see drastic pullbacks in our overall market. Again, this was just a Vix Watch, so I'm not really diving deep into the other markets. Yeah, I'll do that this weekend, but I want to take a quick glance at one of them in particularly. And let's see. Take a quick glance at one in particularly. It wasn't that one. It was one that I saw that showed a drastic move that can't be ignored. It may have been the NASDAQ. Let's see. Let me draw this out real quick. Bear with me 1 second, folks. This was just, again, this is just a quick watch of the VIX, but I wanted to point something else out to you guys, just to put you guys on high alert and pay attention to what's happening, because it's like we're setting up for probably a drastic move in our overall markets. Let's just back to a daily. Okay, here we go. So here's a quick daily, a look at daily chart of the Dow Jones futures. Look what's happening. So we did get a crossover of the blue line on this daily chart, crossing back over, which is the blue line, which is my 50-day moving average, crossing back over the 200-day moving average back in December. And a lot of folks will call that a golden cross. But all in all, we did get that move, trying to signal to the bulls that we were ready to break out. But as you can see, that move has been muted over the past several months, bumping its head up into resistance. Now look what's happening now. The Dow Jones futures has made a major cross back below its 50-day moving average. And look what's happening. It is struggling to get back above it, with price action now muted below its 50-day moving average. What it looks like to me, and appears to me, is that this is probably going to be a false sense for the bulls. It looks like the 50-day is probably soon about to turn right back down, with price action on the daily already looking like it wants to break back below that 200-day moving average on a daily chart. So again, be very vigilant, folks. Pay close attention to what's happening, what the VIX is showing us. Again, this VIX futures is definitely looking like it has been gearing up for the past several months, gearing up in a big way for a possible big move back above its major moving averages. And when and if it does so, we're probably going to see the markets really come under pressure in a big way. Just wanted to point that out, folks. Enjoy the rest of your day, or should I say evening.